In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch private YouTube videos. Let's get started. If you have ever received a notification for a video on YouTube, only to click on it and be hit with a message saying it's private. If you are a subscriber, there is not much you can do about it. The decision to make a video private is entirely up to the creator and they have chosen to keep it hidden for now. However, don't worry, there are still a couple of things you can try. First, consider reaching out to the creator directly. Politely explain that you are interested in watching the private video and let them know why you would like to see it. Be sure to provide your email address associated with your YouTube or Google account and give them some compelling reasons for why you are eager to view their content. Creators appreciate genuine engagement from the audience, so if you have a valid reason, they might just grant you access. In case you want to watch your private videos, what you can do is navigate to the You page, click on the option Downloads, and over here you're going to find all of your private videos. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.